Look, for your day to be just right, for you to feel as confident as possible, there's certain things, almost like a checklist, that as a man, you gotta make sure you always get done. A simple one, for example, is taking a shower. Most of you forget about this. You wake up really late, so you rush out the house straight to work or straight to school or wherever you have to go, and you end up looking all musty. Like, everyone knows you look crusty, you look musty, you still got a little caca in your eyes. Like, let's be real, you haven't showered, you smell a little bit off, and because of that, you also don't feel right. It's so much better to control your day, wake up early, and establish a shower every morning. Go through your shower routine, go through your grooming routine, and I promise you, you'll feel more confident for it. And as you're doing that, this rolls me to my second one. Use a different fragrance. I don't want you to be using the same one over and over again. Like, once you buy Dior Sauvage, I don't want you to just use that one all the time. This is why I talk about so much learning different fragrances and different situations. See, depending on your mood, sometimes you might want a lighter fragrance or a heavier fragrance or a darker one or a more masculine one. There's so many different fragrances, and you should treat them almost like clothing. If you want to change your day and keep it almost exciting for yourself and the people around you, switch the fragrance. And look, this is why subscription fragrances are so great. You're paying like 10, 15 bucks a month, but they're sending you new scents that are high quality all the time. That way you can in and out, swap. Or obviously Santa Lucia, right? Like when you buy our fragrance set, you're good to go, but we're switching it up. See, for Santa Lucia, because I believe in new scents all the time, this will be the greatest year we've ever done for Santa Lucia. Check this out. So, for the first time ever, we're going to be releasing a scent every month. Every month for the rest of the year, we're going to be releasing a scent. But we're also going to create a subscription model for this. So anybody that's subscribed, you get first dibs on the scent. Now, the scent will be extremely limited. So it won't be a big bulk order like we always do, meaning there'll probably be anywhere from 500 to 1,000 units. So those scents, once they're sold out, you'll never get that scent again. And if you're subscribed, you don't got to worry about it because it'll be first come, first serve. You get first dibs. And if the subscribers sell it out before it even launches, the scent is gone. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to bring in innovators, people that are in the space to help us design these new fragrances. So we're going to like co-design as perfumists new scents. And we're talking to multiple guys. As soon as I release who we're going to be working with, you've already known, you've seen these guys. So we're currently working with them right now. So it's not only just going to be the best scent possible, I'm bringing in professionals to help refine that scent and really deliver new, unique scents every single month. So this is what we're going to do. Because I want you to get started. Our new scents, it starts in April. It's February. Like, I'm giving you more than enough time to start preparing. So much time that I want you to get subscribed right now to our program. If you guys click the link down below, you can subscribe to our fragrance program and you're going to receive our dark collection. All 3 fragrances at a crazy price, almost 50% off. Once you get it at that price, that you're grandfathered in. So it'll never go up for you. You'll stay at that price. And just to sweeten the pot a little bit, I'll also include 1 free fragrance from our newer stuff, our day and night fragrance. You get to choose whether the day or night. I'll add that one for free just so you subscribe. So basically the subscription is going to be like a gift at this point. But once you're subscribed, every month you're going to get a new fragrance and it's going to be a complete set built out with new scents coming from France, 100% unique to keep you on your toes. Takes me to number 3. Put on sunscreen. You cannot step out of your house without putting on sunscreen. Even if you think, but I work in an office. But I'm always driving. I'm an Uber driver. Doesn't matter. If you're out and about and you have windows around you, you need to put sunscreen. Because the damage from the sun can seep through the windows and still cause the wrinkles and the early aging. Bro, this is stuff that once you see it, it's too late. Trying to fix and correct all that damage is almost impossible. Start early, put on sunscreen before you even step out. Number 4 is to work out. Look, I'm telling you right now, the best thing you can do is work out early in the morning because not only does it give you energy and make you feel great about yourself, but it also sets your day up to ensure that everything else is easy. See, what I mean by that is that if you start with a grueling leg workout in the morning, you're beat up. Bro, it doesn't matter what happens the rest of the day, You got the hard stuff done. On the flip side, if you had a hard, long, stressful day, by the time you come home, you're not gonna wanna go to the gym. You're gonna make every excuse under the sun, and you missed out on a day. Number 5, get dressed with intent. What that means is, look, everybody gets dressed, obviously, right? But some people just put clothing on because they have to, because it's illegal to not to. So basically, they're walking around looking like complete bums. You should be dressed with intent. Understand the weather. Understand the location you're going to. Understand the people you're going to be meeting. And then understand your own body in proportion. When you put all that into perspective to put together a specific outfit, you're going to start getting dressed with intent. And everything you put on will make you look good. And every situation you're in, you'll be the best dressed man in that room. Put in a little effort every morning. And this finally takes you to number 6. You're about to head out the door. You did everything right. Have a to-do list. On your phone, on your notes app, I like to always do a to-do list, 3 to 5 top items. These are the 3 to 5 items that you must complete today. This keeps you focused. This keeps you disciplined. It's so easy throughout the day to lose it, to procrastinate, and waste hours. But when you have a to-do list, you can start checking those off. What happens is that once you check one off, you feel a little motivated. You want to check off the next one. And then if you're tired of a single task, you can always hop to another task that you know you have to do anyways, and that way you can keep it interesting, but still stay focused. You'd be amazed at how much productivity you could pull out when you give your day some structure and something to accomplish.